Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from the BNB Beacon Chain in Trust Wallet safely and easily. But before we get started, please be advised that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. First things first, you want to open your Trust Wallet app, and once you're in, you want to use the search icon. Click this and type in BNB. Now, from the results, you want to select BNB Beacon Chain, this one. Also, please keep in mind that the BNB Beacon Chain is no longer supported by Trust Wallet because it has been shut down, a process completed in 2024. But if you have an older account, this might still work for your region. And if it's still working, from here, just go ahead and tap on the send option. And before you continue, go to your Binance app. And then from here, you want to go to deposit. So just click on more services, look for deposit, this one. And then from here, you want to make sure that you choose the BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. So look for that, this one. All right, then you want to choose this first option. Now, once you see a BNB Beacon Chain address, just go ahead and copy this one. It's not appearing on my end because I still need to verify this specific account. But once you have the address here, just copy this and head back to your Trust Wallet. And in the send section, just paste the address you just copied from Binance. So go ahead and enter the amount of the BNB you want to withdraw. Just tap on next and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the transaction. And basically that's it. Your BNB will be successfully sent from your Trust Wallet to your Binance account through the Beacon Chain. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!